Hey gang, welcome back to Armcandy. Today we've got a Louis Vuitton wallet for you. This is a Louis Vuitton Joey wallet in epi leather in this gorgeous purple shade. How beautiful is that? It's a really rich purple, it's sort of aubergine. And of course the advantage with epi leather is it's a bit more durable, so water resistant, more scratch resistant, which in a wallet I think is what you need. Wallets obviously you use much more often, they're in and out of your bag all the time. So certainly for me, the extra strength you get from epi leather is pretty useful. Okay, so let's just see if you can see the LV in the corner. If I keep twisting it, you should catch the light and be able to see it. And then it's got this epic clasp. How beautiful is that? So it's a push-in, push-up situation, like so. And look at the lining. That is my colour. I love that. So first of all, you've got a little flat pocket on the front. And then the next bit you come through, there's loads of stuff going on in here, so I'm going to try and talk you through it so that it makes some sort of sense. The next bit you come to is the zip section. So the zip is across and down one side, which means you get really good opening movement, plenty of ability to get your fingers in there. So it's got one central divide, creating two pockets. The zip pull, I love the zip pull. I don't know why, there's something very satisfying about this zip pull. Feels nice. I don't know whether it's because the Louis Vuitton mimics their circle there. I just love that. So that's your coin section there. I'm going to do it up so it's easy to see what's next. So next, in the next section, you've got the badge there, 6 card slots. I'm going to do that so you can see where we're at. Then it flaps open 3 card slots. There's a pocket behind there. That's your window pocket, and then here is your note pocket. Okay? So if it was opening forwards, you've got coin, you've got that bit there, and that bit there. So lots of spaces to keep all of your bits and bobs. Comes with the Louis Vuitton box and the Louis Vuitton dust bag. Now, condition. We've said the exterior and the interior are very good condition. There is no marks anywhere for me to point out. So in the exterior, no marks, no issues. The only reason it's not an excellent is because you can just see that perhaps someone's used it a few times. Okay, and the same with the inside. There is no marks, there's no issues. You can just tell someone's used it a couple of times, so it was a mark of excellence, so we've called it very good. The hardware we've called good. Again, there's no issues with it. You can just see it's a pre-loved piece, so nothing to show you on there. On the back, you can see where it's been on the ridges on there. So literally use it once and that will start to happen. But that's it on the hardware. Isn't it adorable? With this little zip pull. The little zip pull, by the way, if you are a neat freak, tucks in there so that it isn't splayed out. Oh, the date code. The date code is in the notes section. It's just in there. I don't think it will show up, but there's a photograph of that on the website so that you can see it, okay? So, as mentioned, this is available on our website, which there is a link to in our comments below. Before you go, remember to like the video and hit the bell. Important if you like bags to hit the bell, because then you'll get notified next time we put a bag onto the website. But then when you've done that, you can go and hit the link in the comments below. Check this out on the website. And all of the other pre-owned bags, purses, wallets that we've got on the website as well. Remember when you're on the website to sign up to the newsletter, and we will send you a discount code. It's 5% off your first purchase. If it's under £1,000, it's £50 off your first purchase. If it's over £1,000, and it will take you seconds to get your discount code. Scroll to the bottom of any page on the website, there's a little box, pop your email address in, and we will automatically send you your discount code straight to your inbox. If you don't get it within a minute, check your spam folder in case it's gone in there. And I think that's everything. So yeah, link in the comments below, hit the bell, and see you back here for tomorrow's bag.